Welcome to 4528 Newcastle Drive in Frisco, Texas. I would love to show you this beautiful house. Follow me. The Heritage Green neighborhood provides its residents access to amenities such as scenic Beaver Bend Park, a 1.5-mile walking trail around a pond, and a membership at Lakes Tennis Academy. The home is just minutes away from the Star, PGA District, Legacy West, Dr. Pepper Ballpark, as well as numerous shopping, dining, and entertainment experiences. With just over 4,600 square foot of living space, this home features 4 bedrooms, 5 full bathrooms, 1 half bathroom, a study, game room, media room, pool and spa, and 3-car garage. From the moment you enter into the grand foyer, you will notice Pfeifer Custom Home's attention to detail and desirable floor plan. One of the features I truly love about this house is how open it is when you walk in. Beautiful formal living room, formal dining room. The home abounds in exquisite craftsmanship and amenities. I love the size of this family room. Usually you have a small family room and a large kitchen. Here, you have the beauty of both. The home gourmet will appreciate the well-designed kitchen with easy access to formal and casual areas. Nestled away is the handsome study. This room boasts an ensuite full bathroom and walk-in closet and could easily be converted into a 5th bedroom suite. The spacious owner suite provides a luxurious retreat from the hustle and bustle of the day. The recently updated bathroom boasts gorgeous quartz countertops, a spa tub, separate vanities, and a large walk-in closet. The front and back staircases lead to the 2nd floor with a game room, media room, and 3 additional bedrooms with walk-in closets and full ensuite bathrooms. For outdoor activities, the private backyard boasts a covered patio overlooking a sparkling pool and spa. A recently installed 8-foot cedar board-on-board fence surrounds mature landscaping. This home has been impeccably maintained and offers a Class 4 impact-resistant roof with a lifetime warranty, 2 tankless water heaters, and AC units replaced in 2021. Thank you for joining me today on this tour of this gorgeous home. If you have more questions, feel free to reach out to me or visit our website at janritchie.com. I'm Donna Agan, and I look forward to seeing you at our next home tour.